All right, let's get straight to it. 2014 Chevy Cruze. This is the 1.4 liter engine. It'll be the same to get to this lower radiator hose. So let's go ahead and remove this by loosening this hose clamp here and this hose clamp here, and we should be able to remove this whole piece. So by removing this piece now, you can see everything we need to access. To get this part out here, all you have to do is squeeze this two tabs here and pull off. So squeeze where you have these ribs here and on the other side, and pull off of the metal part, and that should release this. All right, so I was able to pop this off pretty easily once I squeeze these two tabs here. Let me get a better look so you can see. So you squeeze these two on the outside, and then you'll be able to pull this all the way off. All right, once we get this piece off, now we can get to this lower hose right here. So it just got two ends with this same little retainer. So if we pull this retainer on the old one all the way out, then we should be able to pull that old hose off. So let's pull those two retainers, this one here and the one down there, and we should be able to pull that hose off. All right, so that came off pretty easy after getting those retainers out. So we're gonna do the same exact thing backwards. We're going to install the new one now. Normally you don't have to pull these clips out. You should be able to just push it on while giving a little wiggle while pushing. So let's try that first. If not, then we'll take these clips halfway out at least. Okay, so I was able to snap the new holes on both sides. Pretty simple. Just gotta give it a little firm press while you're twisting, and it'll snap right on. Get back to this, and the same thing. Just go ahead and push that in until that clicks in pretty much. All right, you hear that? So that's clicked in now. And of course I have that lower hose on down there. So I can go ahead and put this breather tube back on and tighten down these two hose clamps. All right, so we got the battery terminal back on and everything is done. Everything is done. We got all the hoses changed. So all we have to do now is fill this coolant back up. And I have this coolant here, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done. So as I'm filling this, what I do is I remove this top hose from here. This hose that runs from here to here, I removed it for now so that it can vent. And once coolant starts to come out of here, then I'll put that hose back on and finish filling it. But for now, I'm gonna fill it with this hose off. Okay, so you can see it's a little wet down there. As soon as it started to come out of there, I popped this hose back on, and now we can finish filling from the top. All right, so as you can see, I got it covered up because it's nice and filled now. So that's pretty much it, guys. All the hoses are changed, and the coolant's filled back up, so that's it.